since a long time. Since long time, I was saying that very soon we will find that Quad will convert into a NATO's replica in Indo-Pacific. And guess what? United States of America has offered that India should have a defense pact with US. Rather, they have said that Quad should convert itself like NATO in the Indo-Pacific region, the term which I was using since very long. And now I think it's time that things are taking its shape. But I am wondering why Indian media is silent about it. I am seeing the discussions on this issue on CNN, on Fox News. They are talking whether US should sign such a defense pact with India or not. But our media is not talking. So I think that we should at least discuss. So this is a great news for India, and if something like this happens, it will definitely be on the lines of NATO and Washington Pact, which is having the biggest clause, that is Article 5, that if anybody attacks any member of the organization or institution, it will be considered as an attack on all the members. So suppose if China attacks Japan or Australia or India or United States of America, it will be considered that it has attacked all of these Quad members. So it's a big news, and we must seriously discuss about it, whether India should go for it or not. See, it is not going to happen in one day. It is not like that the document is there and we are going to sign. First of all, if it happens, it will happen in a particular way. First, we will see a headquarter of Quad, maybe in India, maybe or in Japan. So first, Quad will take a formal structure with a headquarter. Then all the members will sign the defense pact with United States. And signing defense pact with United States is a time-tested thing. See, we have seen this in case of NATO. No power in the world has till date attacked any of the NATO country. We have seen this in the case of Philippines, in the case of Japan, in the case of North Korea, and rather I will say Japan and North Korea, which have signed the treaty in 50s with defense pact with America. They have gained a lot from it. What happened that instead of investing so much in rush for defense, they have invested that money in their development of their economy, development of their manpower and their infrastructure. So they have gained a lot by signing defense pact with the United States of America, and I'm optimistic that even if we sign defense pact with United States, our strength will increase by many folds. But if we start discussing, see, nothing comes without pros and cons. So pros, I think the positive sides are more than negative sides, but we should also discuss about the negative sides. The negative sides are, see, suppose I always maintain one thing: there is no permanent friend no permanent enemy in foreign relations or foreign policy. There are only permanent interests. So suppose if tomorrow our relationship with China improves, and relationship in international terms are just for, you can say, for if you buy 2 or 3 decades with good relationship and peace, it is okay. You do not see beyond 20 years or 25 years. So suppose there is improvement in Indo-China relationship after a few months or few years, then if there is a war between United States and China, then we have to also jump in that war, and we are sharing more than 3,500 kilometers of border with China. So we have to give the maximum sacrifice in that position. But along with this, the possibility, if we sign the pact with United States, defense pact with United States, the possibility of attack by China on India will be minimum. The possibility of a two-front war with China and Pakistan will be minimum. So there are positive sides and there are negative aspects as well. One negative aspect will be what will be the reaction of Russia, and we have to calm Russia also, because Russia won't they will not want that we should join the US camp, so much so that we sign a defense pact with them. So we have to calm Russia as well, because 75% of our arms and ammunition are still Russian, and Russia is also a time-tested friend. So there are positives, there are negatives, but if you ask me personally, I will say positives are more to be in the American camp, to have a defense deal with United States and a defense pact with a type of clock like Article 5 of the Washington Pact, which NATO is having. And we have seen NATO is a wonderful example of institutional success. It has not only succeeded with time, it has not only proved itself with time, but it has also expanded with time. So I think positives will be more, negatives are less. You also comment in the comment section what is your point of view. But I really wish that our media should discuss topics like this which are of national interest, because if we sign a defense pact with United States of America, and if the Quad becomes something like NATO, and definitely in the region the biggest member of Quad is India, and in that manner it will be a biggest defense deal of United States in Asia, because India is a huge country with huge army, it's a nuclear power. So we should discuss on all these things rather than discussing other things. And God knows why our media is not taking this matter seriously. And this, if we sign this deal, defense pact with United States, with Quad, then definitely it will impact our generations. So I think you must also discuss among yourself. Also put here in the comment section your point of views. Thank you.